Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use Sendit without downloading the app. Perfect if you are low on space or just want quick access. First of all, step is to simply open a browser. First, open any browser on your phone or PC like Safari, Chrome or Firefox. I'll simply open Google Chrome. After opening Google Chrome, now search for Sendit username link. If you are trying to reply or view a friend's Sendit, just click their public Sendit link, usually found in their Snapchat or Instagram story. It will open in your browser without needing the app. Step 3 is to send an anonymous message. Once the link opens, you can type and send anonymous message or question right from your browser. No need to download required. But remember, without the app, you can't create your own Sendit link, check responses or customize your profile. For full feature, the app is still required. And that's how you use Sendit without the app. If this helped, like, subscribe and comment if you want more no app tricks, and I'll see you in the next one.